Hi everyone. Today I did our Dollar Tree shopping spree for the cruise. I got a lot of stuff that I'm really excited about for $1. I love that. Of course, we're taking the boys on our cruise with us. This is their first cruise. They're 10 and 7, so we're going to take them with us. And I decided I found these. These are the LED push lights. So, like if they need to get up in the middle of the night or whatever, they can just push this and it gives them some light to find the bathroom and stuff like that. So I got a couple of those. I got some baby wipes, just in case. I got some other wipes too and all that, but I don't know. I like taking these. Where's the other wipes at? The red pack. I got some room deodorizers. This is the clean linen scent. It really smelled good. So I'm going to put one in the bathroom and then one in our room. These are the travel wipes. And this comes 2 in the pack. So this is good for their hands and their face. It's moisturizing, kills germs and stuff like that. So I got this too. And then where are the room wipes? I got some disinfecting wipes for the room. Clorox. So that's all the wipes.
And we have hand sanitizer.
I got their hand sanitizer. Yep. I got some chapstick. My lips always get chapped out in the sun. So does Doug's. Got some chapstick. I got, we already have ours, but I got their traveling size toothbrush and toothpaste, and it comes with the holder. So I got that for them too. This is a 3-pack of the bottles. I take my own shampoo and conditioner and body wash, and then I have some more, and I take my body lotion and stuff like that with me in those. I got an extra large laundry bag to put our clothes in this time, since we're going to have 4 in the room. So that's just an extra large mesh bag. I got the magnets for our door decorations. You can get them there. And I cannot believe the door decorations that I got. They are so cute. Thanks to Fisher Fun Ventures on YouTube. If you haven't checked them out yet, you can go check them out. David and Laura Lee. They're awesome. She told me about the door decoration things there. So we looked at all of them. I found these are really cute. These were $1, and I normally pay like $3 or $4 for stickers like this. So they got the flamingo, the flip-flops, the pineapple, stuff like that on these. These are the pineapples, sunglasses. Those are really cute. And then here's all the lettering for our poster board. I got a few of these so I could have all the letters. And the poster board was like really big. So I got just one, and I'm going to cut it in half because I'm going to do my mom's and ours. So I'll get 2 poster door decorations with just one poster. And the poster board wasn't $1. It was like 59 or 69 cents. So I got that. This I got for the boys going to the beach and being in the sand. A&D ointment to put like between their legs or whatever in case they get raw and stuff from the sand rubbing.
We have the best chocolates.
This is for our room stewardess. I'm going to make a basket for them as a thank you. So I got this is the premium chocolates. I got the Russell Stover chocolates.
Yeah. And we also have the truffles.
And we got truffles. And I got thank you cards also. Right there. Thank you cards. So that'll be for them. I'm going to find a little basket. I should have looked there, but I was running out of time today because I spent so much time walking that whole store. It was a store that I haven't been to, so I wasn't familiar with like where everything was. So we walked and walked and walked and looked and looked and looked. But here's some Poo-Pourri spray for the bathroom. This is lavender vanilla. Got that. Gonna have our room smelling good. Keeps the stink in the bowl. You hear that?
Mm-hmm.
I got that already. I got some Band-Aids.
Of course.
Just in case. You never know with the kids. So I got some Band-Aids for them.
I think that's all.
No, I got some Motrin. Ibuprofen. And I think that is it.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. So we got all of the sanitizing stuff for our room, all the wipes. Found those other little hand and face wipes for the boys. I can throw these in my little shoulder strap thing, and so yeah, it won't hurt their face to wipe their face and stuff like that with that. So that's pretty cool. Got their little toothbrushes, toothpaste, chapstick, Band-Aids, A&D ointment if they get a rash, disinfecting wipes for the room. I'm bringing baby wipes. I don't know. I got the little LED push-on lights for them in case they need to get up in the middle of the night. Got our magnets. Got like most of our door decoration stuff there. I was so excited about that. Band-Aids, Motrin, room deodorizers, hand sanitizer, and got the stewardess their thank you gift. So that's it. I hope this helped you out.